Hello everyone, and on today's episode of What Lenses Can We Put in What Frames, we have Beth from Bismarck, North Dakota. Now this is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I might be seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Beth's truly vintage pair, vintage looking. This actually looks to be a pair of reading glasses, over-the-counter reading glasses. It could have been from the 70s, but she loves the vintage look, so we made her lenses with our house anti-glare. Now I could just get stock lenses for this one. Now let me put a caveat on these. Some of the vintage frames I'll need to actually physically touch and hold and make sure that I can get. These had glass lenses from the 50s or 60s that I had to get out. Some of these are very brittle. I do my best. There's always the risk that 50 to 70-year-old plastic could break, but I'm willing to give it the old college try. I've made glasses from her. They've always been successful. There's no identification marks on this frame other than the really ornate pieces that have been added to this when it was manufactured. A lot of them I get have mother of pearl or other things. So I was able to get some stock lenses for these, just a total of 103 per pair. We still did the same thing for this one, but due to the size and her tiny pupillary distance, I had to have these custom made with the house AR, and that's why the lens packets look differently. So whatever you have, I can put lenses into your frames. That's no problem. I just need to do a quick visual inspection of the frame and make sure it's good enough. New frames are designed to have RX lenses installed on day one. Getting the old lenses out, sometimes I literally have to use a hammer nail to break the glass or plastic lenses that are in the frame so I can safely remove them, safely for the frame's sake, not for the lenses. But there's someone else's prescription that quite possibly has died more than 20 years ago, and they're not going to use them anymore. So if you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Go to call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. How's that look? And so yeah, so sometimes in special cases like this, please mail us the frame first before any lenses are ordered or cut if they're progressives or high index or anything like that. I just have to make sure the frame is still in good enough shape that I can work with it. So before any money is spent, I don't want someone purchasing lenses for a defective frame. But that's it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. Leave a question or comment in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you. Come on now. There we go. And yeah, so again, Bethany in Bismarck, North Dakota, thank you for the purchase of 2 pair of single vision lenses with our house anti-glare for your vintage and vintage looking frame. Now click on the link above to go to the lenses only option on our website, and hopefully now everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling. This is how I bring that loving feeling back to vintage eyewear. Thank you.